Respected judges, I am Rishikesh Pan of class 9.
I am Amanda Shukos of class 9.
We are from DAB Model School, Durgapur.
Objective: to find the infected person by this COVID doorbell system.
Methodology. The entire process starts when a visitor can visit in our home. First, a sanitizing machine sanitizes the hand of the visitor, and then a hidden air temperature sensor detects the temperature of the visitor without any contact. Then, if the temperature is normal, then a doorbell will ring, and if the temperature is greater than 38 degrees Celsius, then the alert will be there to the family member.
Utility: this device helps us to identify the infected person and also saves us from disease. This device is so small, easily fit inside industries, schools, offices, etc.
Special thank you to AIM, Niti Aayog and ATL for giving us the opportunity to participate in ATL Marathon 2020.